Hey guys, it's Jason from Mazda. Welcome to another Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I'm going to teach you how to actually program your memory seats to your key. So then all you need to do is unlock your car and your seats will be in your position every time. Key to this, you must have the engine running when you do turn on the memory seats. Get your seats, your steering wheel, your heads-up display and your mirrors to exactly where you'd like them to be. Press the set till you hear the beep and then hit unlock on your key. Now to test it, I'm going to turn off the car. I'm going to move my seat forward a few inches. I'm going to hop out of the car. We're going to lock it. And now I'm going to test it. When I unlock the car and I open the door, my seat should move back. And now she's back into my driving position every time. Thanks for tuning in for another Tips and Tricks Tuesday.